Hey, this is a quick video just to test recording and a quick announcement that I'm starting up this YouTube channel thing called Sound Obsession, and yeah, the name on the box says it all, I suppose. My name is Christopher. I'm obsessed with sound, and I've been working with sound, pretty much all my career. In the last decade or so, I've had so much. I've learned so much of YouTube tutorials and videos, and I want to share some stuff that I've learned in other places as well. And I want to share share some projects that are related to things I've learned here. And it'll be a learning experience. It will not be the highest production value, maybe, but that's not the point. The point is to spread some ideas, some knowledge, and I'm never going to be a content creator, as they say. I'm first and foremost an artist, and I just believe that producing so-called content is not really art; it's something else. More on that later, perhaps. But yeah, hope you're having a good day. I'm gonna make some coffee, and I'll see you in the next one, maybe. Peace out.